This is just a short video of the HW100 machine. This is the summary version, so I've got some clothes, very light clothes now at the moment, a couple of t-shirts, some light shorts, a jumper and a microfiber cloth. So it's already done the wash cycle. I'm just going to let it finish. It's on a 1400 spin, and what I'm interested on your thoughts on is whether this could be premature bearing failure. The machine's just coming up to 10 months old. It's been fantastic up till now. It's been really quiet. We've raved about it and recommended it to everybody that we know. The floor is perfectly level. I'll point out that before we put this machine in, because it's got a slightly higher load capacity than our other machine, we wanted the floor perfect, so we actually cut these are tongue and groove. It's oak engineered flooring, so it's not solid floorboards, but we took the boards up at the back, leveled the floor and stuck the boards to the floor with silicone, so there's no scope for any movement there. That's rock solid. And actually you don't see any movement around the machine. It's got a good inch clearance all the way around it and behind it. It's just starting to speed up now. This is the clattering sound that we've started to get. It was really quiet before. You hardly heard it going, even on a spin cycle. No machine's silent. People say they're silent, but there's no such thing. But this was very quiet before. That's the sound. Okay, that's actually really quite loud now. I'm having to shout over the top of that. If you're in the room with me here, pretty deafening, to be honest. It sounds like that noise is coming from deep inside the machine towards the back, in the middle. Really used to sound nothing like this before. I'll tell you what's in there in a moment. Two light clothes. I don't know how well the camera's picking this up, but it's really deafening. You have to shout over the top of it to hear some of it. See, practically zero movement around the outside of the machine. It's nice and stable, very level on the floor. It sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm going to stop that. We've got a hire engineer coming out later in the week, so it'll be interesting to see what he makes of it. As you can see here, there's not an awful lot in it. We've just got a t-shirt, a jumper, a pair of shorts, another t-shirt and a microfiber cloth. That's the one that we use to We put that in with every wash and we use that to dry the machine out after every use to keep it nice. We look after appliances. It only has light use, and it's well, it's pretty much like new still, to be fair. Just coming up 10 months old. What I will say is that this machine has been absolutely fantastic up till now. We used to put it on a wash cycle and go to bed, and just upstairs you couldn't hear it at all. I mean, now you wouldn't dream of doing that. It really does sound like a pneumatic drill going off in the kitchen. So I'm hopeful that we'll get it resolved. I wanted to put this video up here just to see if anybody else has experienced this problem with this particular machine, around about the 10-month mark or similar. Yeah, I'd be interested on some thoughts and feedback. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it took 5.5 minutes to get there, but this is what I'm looking at. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.